How to set up two-step verification on Instagram. Let's get started. Begin by launching the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, choose Account Center to manage your account settings. Inside the Account Center, select Password and Security to open your security settings. Then tap on Two-Factor Authentication to begin the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to choose how you want to receive your verification code. You have two options. Authentication app. This option requires you to download an app like Google Authenticator, which will generate a code, SMS or WhatsApp. This option will get your code through text message or through WhatsApp. After selecting your preferred method, click Next to proceed. If you choose SMS or WhatsApp, you will be asked to enter your mobile number. For those using an authentication app, this step isn't required. Instagram will now send you a verification code through your chosen method. Enter the code you received in the box and hit Next to complete the process. And that's it. Your two-step verification is now successfully enabled on Instagram.